Would you like to learn how to make a delicious Chipotle-inspired keto burrito bowl just like this? You would? Good, because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Here are a few of the ingredients that you'll need, but the exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Let us begin by seasoning the chicken and the shrimp. I'm going to season the chicken with some green seasoning, some sazon, some adobo, onion powder, garlic powder, cracked black pepper, and dried parsley. In case you don't know, green seasoning is a pureed blend of veggies, herbs, and spices. My green seasoning has stuff in it like fresh garlic, onions, bell peppers, cilantro, and other yumminess. I'll put that recipe above. Oh, I forgot to mention, that's chopped up chicken thighs right there. Now to season the shrimp, I'm going to use some fresh lemon, some garlic and herb Old Bay, and some Kinnders garlic and herb seasoning. And I also put a little green seasoning on the shrimp as well. I felt so awkward recording this video because I was visiting my mom back home in New York, so I felt like really out of place. But hopefully it doesn't show in the video. Next, let's chop some veggies for a little fajita stir fry. Just a little onions, bell peppers, and fresh garlic. Now let's cook the chicken. It's best to let the chicken marinate for as long as possible. I let mine marinate for about 4 hours. And now I'm cooking it on medium-high heat with a little olive oil and butter in the pan. The butter is to add more flavor to the chicken, and the olive oil is added so that the butter doesn't burn. Then I removed the chicken so that I can cook the shrimp in the same pan, because ain't nobody got time for a whole bunch of dishes, child. And then once the shrimp are done, I'm going to remove the shrimp and cook the veggies in the same pan. Shoyos. I really hate washing dishes. I think I'm allergic. I don't know why that one never worked on my mom. Now I'm seasoning the veggies with some salad and vegetable seasoning. That stuff is really good. I'm going to let the veggies cook for about 3 minutes, and then I'm going to add in some fresh garlic. You always want to add your garlic in last because garlic has a tendency to burn. I love Chipotle. Do you? Put in the comments what you get when you go to Chipotle. I usually get white rice and black beans when I go, but now I'm working on my summer body. Shut your face. I know the summer's almost over. But I hear we may get another summer next year. Don't judge me. You don't know my life. But this cauliflower rice is really good. You just thaw it out in the microwave, and then you want to squeeze out the excess liquid so that it's not all mushy. Then after that, you know the drill. Fry it up in that same pan. The cauliflower rice is pre-boiled, so you only have to saute it for a couple of minutes, like 3 or 4 minutes. And I'm adding a little lime and some fresh cilantro to it. Even though this is the cilantro flavored one, the cilantro flavor is kind of mild, and I love cilantro, so I add a little bit extra to mine. I also added a little bit of that salad and vegetable seasoning as well. Now it's time to load the bowl. I'm going to put that guilt-free rice right there on the bottom. I also made some homemade guacamole and some pico de gallo. I'll put those recipes above. And once you put it all together, it'll look something like this. My God, forever. Won't he do it? Yes, he will, all the time. Chipotle who? They ain't even got no shrimp over there. Make your burrito bowl at home, baby. Even the cauliflower rice was good. I was like, okay, keep eating like this. I'm going to get my J-Lo body back. Don't hate because I'm going to be looking like Jenny from the block. Child, the way my discipline is set up, I'll probably be looking like A block. Anywho, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye.